Thank you for supporting this channel. Because of you, we reached 10,000 subscribers. This is another milestone for us. We want to upgrade your viewing experience, so here's some of our improvements. The first uploads with robotic voice were remastered and replaced with real voice.
Our goal is to overlap these rings on both Scion and rootstock.
Our goal is to overlap these rings on both Scion and rootstock. We have added captions on all our videos with voice-over. We have bumped up our videos with updates like 7 months and up. Clips with bad lightings were replaced with new clips with better lightings. We also have combined Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 and released as new video. Once again, thank you, and we appreciate your feedbacks. Happy Succulents gardening!